Hello there, Mr. Boom here. Welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub, and this is our daily analysis of gold. And as per you know that we continue with our completed our yesterday analysis over there, and that was our trend line zone, and that was our support area. And we told that gold will continue to rise from there because of Venezuela and United States strikes. That means United States strikes. Our Donald Trump arrested. Our Donald Trump told to arrest Venezuela's president. That's why there is another geopolitical instability in the world or around the world. So that will directly impact on United States dollar. So you have to keep your mind on that thing. Okay, this is the one of major thing that is gold is flying right now. And you must know what we can do today. So that's why we are going to analyze the market for today. And as per our studies analysis work perfectly, and we hope our today's analysis will also works perfectly. Okay, so let's remove all of our previous drawing, and if I want to show you our daily time frame data, that means today's daily time frame data, as you can see there, beginning of the day market just started to flying up. That means there is more bullish momentum coming in upcoming days because of geopolitical instability. That means because of fundamental things or fundamental theories. Okay, so if I want to show you in H4 time frame, as you can see there, over there market was started with a big gap and it just continues to rising up, and there is three black crayons. That means 3 4 hour bullish candle, and that confirms buy for the gold. Okay, we will find out our proper path, our entry, our direction in each one time frame. And as per you can see there, our lowest support zone, and or if you think about support zone, that means very strong support zone, that is our lowest support zone. 1 2 3 4 times market respected that particular area, and one time there was a fake breakout and ignored them, and there is 4 continuous tosses in this particular area. So we may consider that is a stronger, okay, stronger support zone for today. Okay, so if gold come back in that zone anyhow, we will continue to take buying, or we will continue to buy. Okay, and there is another zone, that means another support zone we have, that is around that particular area. That means you also can take buy and trades when market come there, and if you get any kind of confirmation like pin bar or engulfing, then you can continue buying trade from that area to that particular area. Okay, so we can consider this area, that means 4500 area, 4500 area, that means 4500 area for this week's target. Okay, if you want to continue trading, that means if you want to continue your entry till the weekend, so you may keep your target 4500. Okay, and while you are going to take any entry or any trades, you have to consider, you must have to consider 1:3 risk reward ratio. That means if you take 50 pips risks, your reward will be 150 pips. If you take 100 pips risks, your reward will be 300 pips. This is the theory from Mr. Boom, and we are always following that theory, and we are making a lot in this particular market. Okay, and you may ask me, Mr. Boom, what for small time frame trader or what for scalper? So let's get back. M15 time frame for a small time frame trader or for scalper, as you can see there, that is similar thing there. Okay, there is similar thing, and there is similar support area and another support area. That means 1 and 2, number 1 and number 2 support areas in similar zone, similar area. So you can consider that area to take buy or sell entries. Okay, and for scalping, I want to consider one thing over here. I'm just following this trend line. Okay, only for buying. Okay, not for selling. Today we will not sell anywhere or anything. Okay, we will focus on buying. We are taking buying over here. We are taking buying. If it come here, we can take buy. If it come here, we can take buy. Okay, this is the continuation. Or if it fails, if it come here, then we can consider buy again due to the stronger support area, and we have to follow the candle confirmation. Without any candle confirmation, no candle confirmation, no buy or sell entry. Okay, we have to wait for that. And if I want to speak about upper trends, as you can see there, that could be our upper trend line. So market can move from there, and there. Okay, that can be today's market scenario, but we will avoid selling today because there is a lot of geopolitical issues, lot of geopolitical uncertainties. So we can only consider buying today. So if anything happens that I told, without that I will come with another analysis or another video in this YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribed into our telegram channel and YouTube channel, and telegram channel link in the video description box. So that's for now. Mr. From signing out.